Hey guys, welcome back. We are at Blue Oval Performance and we're going to be getting the Mustang dynoed before we do the Supercharger, just to get like a baseline of what it does. So I'm really excited to see what it does. I'll list all the mods in the description, and I think it'll be really cool just to see what it can do before I get it supercharged. What do you think it's going to do?
200 horsepower.
These things do like 260, 275 from the factory.
Realistically, I'd like to see 3 or 320.
I would say like 310 is a good bet, but we'll see what it does. All right, here we go. I guess this is a place you go to if you want to tune a Ford. What the hell are those? Yeah. There it is. Hopefully the GoPro will pick up the light in here.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good.
So we looked into it, and we're probably going to be doing a 4th gear pull. That's a 1.14 to 1.
It's going to show a little more horsepower than it actually makes because of the slightly multiplied gear ratio.
Yeah. So yeah, we're letting them get all in place. Oh, it looks like there's a subframe over there. This place is really cool. I got one of those.
Yup.
Second time in like 6 months it's been on a lift.
Improvements. Go broom.
I think it's gonna go pretty broom.
Let's go bang.
So, oh, I don't want to go bring, no.
Do forged internals.
That'd be a quick transition to forged internals.
Just come home, you're like, sorry, I'm going back. I gotta get forged internals.
No. Not that soon. Alright guys, so we got the Mustang on the dyno. We have my data log going.
Yeah, it's good.
This is a switch for the paddle shifters to go, and then we're gonna see how it goes. Might be a bit loud.
That's fine.
Nice.
Not gonna be nearly as loud as when you didn't have mufflers.
Yep. Probably just a test.
238 is just about a little.
Really? Not up yet. Sounded pretty good. Sorry, what?
I'm not sure if it's taking down gears.
The paddles?
That on the paddle is like the camera.
Let me double check real quick. Might be kicking down gears, so might not be doing it in 4th, so we'll see here. Should be set how it is. starting in fourth. Didn't blow up?
Yeah.
Yet. Yeah, I definitely heard that. I think the most I can really do is double check the config, make sure that select shift is working. You think it could be the stall? Because when you floor it, if it's not above, you know, it'll flash up to it. Maybe that's what we're thinking the shifting is. Unless, does it, do you?
It's possible I'm not clear.
Yeah.
It seems like, and I'm seeing almost like, I think around 4,000 before it starts slowing down. I don't know if that's normal.
No, well, so if it's in fourth and you're below the stall limit, it'll flash up to it. So that's why I'm thinking it might be what we're thinking it's shifting to, or that's us thinking it's shifting. I guess we can see if it's on the computer shows that it's going to, like downshifting at all, because it would show it, because this should keep a gear. I don't think it should be downshifting at all. But I can double check the trans computer and plug into it and just check the config.
You can try one more time, but you gotta pay attention to that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get up here and look.
I can bring it up slower so it doesn't do that.
Yeah.
Big stall converter cars will do that all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
I have to start the data log way earlier and sit there for a little while.
Yeah.
Bring it up kind of slow and then step it.
Yeah.
So or else you'll just keep getting that.
Okay. So we can see what gear we're in here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see on camera. I can watch it right here. So second, third, 4. It's not a rev limiter set by it. I wonder if it's something with the trans. Yeah, but it's stuck in fourth the entire time.
It was.
So I think it's something with the stall making it all messed up.
Okay, so I think I got a bigger log, but I don't know if it captured much.
Yeah.
So we'll see here.
What was it? And one thing.
Can we leave that on, or how's that?
I think it should be fine left on here. It's in park right now, or neutral.
Oh, I haven't gone to park.
Yeah. So yeah, gear 0, so we're good. Yeah, we're good to turn it off. So guys, that stayed in fourth gear, but we think the converter is making it flash or do something. Also, it seems like right at like the upper 5,000, something is, it's like an additional rev limit or something. It's weird. So where do you see where it,
You are making 307.
307, I was pretty close.
307.99, so 308.
Yeah.
And then 311 on the torque.
Nice. I was pretty spot on with my guess. Yeah, I think the converter or some... Yeah, I'll need to do some data logging with quick or US shift or something to figure whatever it's going out or going on with it. I think it's just a converter making it seem like that, because we were stuck in fourth the entire time, but I did hear up top.
Well, when it hit that... Oh yeah, I can't see my RPM, but
yeah,
it looked like 5,200.
Yeah.
It was doing some kind of kick thing.
Yeah, I felt it too.
I felt it on the first one too, so it's going to do it every time at that RPM. So there's something going on at that RPM.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what.
All right.
I'm not sure if it's a tune or transmission.
There's so many variables with this because it's kind of, you know, a one-off thing with the transmission, you know. It's a lot of variables. I'll have to figure it out, but yeah, that's awesome. I'm pretty satisfied with that.
And do you need any other data logging of any kind?
I think that should be fine for now.
Be okay with
yeah.
finish, or you want to make a backup run on this? Or?
If we could replicate that, I think that'd be good. If I can get my my tuner going on it.
Okay. You can ask the tuner, you know, if he sees anything along.
You want to get that in there?
I'm sure he's not like available, like at moment's notice or whatever.
Yeah. And it's not blowing up.
Most normal aspirates don't usually blow up.
Well, I meant that I kind of mentioned the transmission.
Oh, yeah.
It's from an F-150. All right.
The 90,000 miles, yes, I remember.
Yeah. Yeah, if we could replicate just that, I think that'll be good for
Yeah, and
Lito.
then just log it for Lito.
Yeah.
So that he can do his thing. Okay.
Awesome.
Cycles here.
Do you know how the traction control works? Does it cut ignition or does it cut fuel? Do you know, or?
Fuel is the normal on most stock computers, but I can't say for sure for this year.
All right, and this is
Should be
on. Yeah, let me. Yeah. All right, let me go ahead and start this.
Okay, I'm in fourth, so let me know when your logger's ready.
Okay. All right, we're good. Yeah, it did the same thing. I watched it right at like 5200. It like did something.
Yeah, and the second time it'll go through it, so I'm not sure what it's doing.
Well, hopefully Lito will actually be able to see what happened.
Yes.
That'll be good to figure out.
Down the track.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. The power just cuts, you know, right at the top.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Let's save that file. And we'll call that, all in.
Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't made for it, so sometimes you got to push it the extra way to get the key out.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Did you, by chance, log the white man?
No, I didn't. I might have caught it on camera, actually. I was aiming that way, so. All right, there you go, guys. They're the numbers. Looks like 310 and then 321 torque. Nice. And that's where that weird spike was, right? It like dropped and then picked back up. It was weird. I caught it on camera, so I don't know what that was all about, but.
You know it's about 5,200 and about 94 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, the first run I wasn't.
yeah, 93 miles an hour.
Yeah. Say again?
So
The first run when I heard it, I thought maybe that was limiter and he lifted and then it like, kept going afterwards. I was like, that was weird. But okay.
Yeah, like a stuck throttle or something. But...
yeah, it doesn't feel like your typical hesitation. Like
Yeah.
When I feel like if I have a misspark or a misfire, things like that, it doesn't feel like that. It feels like it did something electronically.
Yeah.
And then it just goes past it for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Usually if it does it at that point and more, usually.
Not just something consistent. Well, I guess it would probably be consistent, but it would.
Consistent,
Yeah.
I think it's in the computer. Something's in the computer.
Weird.
Not mechanical.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess that's a mystery for Lito to figure out, or myself. So yeah, that's awesome.
Right on the money though.
Yeah, it made exactly 310 at the end. That's it. That was my guess, which is pretty cool. Awesome.
Your butt dyno's accurate.
Yep. I can feel it. I wonder what it would have made on the 5R.
Less.
More? No. Only because it's lighter transmission.
Yeah.
As far as rotating fast internally. But,
Yeah, I did put,
we
well, with,
also went from C4s to AOD Lentex, and the Lentex typically made more power at the track.
yeah,
So you would see better results, ETs at the track.
it did get a one-piece drive shaft when I did the 6R80 swap, so it did gain rotating mass with the transmission, but dropped it significantly with the drive shaft because that shaft was like 38 pounds or something like that.
Yeah, we weighed them, I think, 42. And the new one, I remember somewhere like a 20-pound difference or something.
Yeah, that's the next thing. Once I get my supercharger on, I'm gonna figure out how I can cut weight because I'm adding the manifold, which is a billet piece, the supercharger, the heat exchanger, and then like 4 gallons of fluid.
Yeah,
So.
they have a, I forgot what they call that thing. It comes around the front, Steven makes it. We sell
Yeah.
it here if you're interested.
Yeah, I definitely want to get, what's it called? The K-member, tubular K-member. I picked up a tubular rad support. I'm going to get that soon.
Oh, the radio support, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, I picked one of those up. That'll drop like 8 pounds from what I read online.
Yeah, it's pretty substantial. We did one to a car recently.
Nice. Well, that's awesome. If you guys want, if you're in the PNW, come to Blue Oval Performance. These guys are awesome. And we're definitely going to be coming back once we have the Supercharger on, and then, you know, see what else we can have for you. I mean, we got a lot of projects, so.
Very cool.
Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you next video.